Okay, good morning, students.
Good morning, Miss.
Okay. So now we are in our English class. Now we are going to do one English activity, and this is a grammar activity. Okay. So we have studied about the conjunction words. Now we are doing using one conjunction word and explain this activity. Okay. Are you all do the activity?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. So I will give some cards to your hands. So this is AT and this is BT. Okay. In everything, one of them come front and read the sentence, and other team have a pair of the sentence. Other team having the pair of the sentence. So other pair of the sentence having students come front and read the sentence, and you have to tell which conjunction word is coming between the sentences. Okay. Okay. First, Budish, come here.
Ruby is tired.
Ruby is tired. Yes. In BT, who is the pairing of this sentence?
She goes to sleep.
Give the mic to her.
She goes to sleep.
Yes. Ruby is tired and she goes to sleep. So Ruby வந்து எப்படி இருக்கா? ரொம்ப டயர்டா இருக்கா. அதனால என்ன பண்ண போறா? Sleeping. தூங்க போறா. Okay. So இந்த அப்போ Ruby is tired க்கு you come this side. You come here. Okay. So blue team is come first and red team is come second. Okay. Okay. Now, what is the conjunction word they are using to connect the sentence? So. What is the word? So. Okay. Okay. Akifa, read the sentence.
Ruby. Ruby is tired, so she goes to sleep.
Very good. So Ruby is tired, so she goes to sleep. Okay, good. Go back. Okay. Okay, next Martina. Read the sentence.
Shiva missed the bus.
Shiva missed the bus. And who is the pair of this sentence?
He came late.
Give it to the mic.
He came late.
He came late. So Shiva வந்து என்ன பண்ணிட்டான்? பஸ் மிஸ் பண்ணிட்டான். அதனால என்ன பண்றான்?
Late.
So ஒரு சென்டென்ஸ் இருக்கு, அதோட ரீசன் வந்து செகண்ட் இருக்கு. சோ அதனால எதனால ஒரு சென்டென்ஸ் அதனால அவன் லேட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு சொல்றோம்ல. சோ அந்த வேர்டுக்காக தான் நம்ம எந்த கன்ஜங்ஷனை யூஸ் பண்றோம்?
So.
Okay. So come on. Okay. Zubai, read the word.
Shiva missed the bus, so he came late.
Zubai, read it.
Shiva missed the bus, so he came late.
Very good. Okay, next one. Come fast.
John has finished his homework.
Very good. And who is the pair of this sentence? Yes, Nina.
Hi. He is happy.
He is
Happy.
happy. Okay, John வந்து அவனோட ஹோம்வொர்க்க கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிட்டான். அதனால எப்படி இருக்கான்?
Happy.
அப்ப எதனால? ஹோம்வொர்க்க கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணதுனால he is happy.
Happy.
And what is the conjunction word? So. Akifa, read the word. Show me
John.
the face first.
John has finished his homework, so he is happy.
Very good. The next pair. Come.
Malini is hungry.
Malini is hungry. And who is the pair of the sentence?
She drinking milk.
She drinks
Milk.
milk. Okay. So Malini வந்து ஹங்கிரியா இருக்கா, அதனால என்ன பண்றா? milk குடிக்கிறா அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். So what is the conjunction word? So. Okay, Zubair.
Malini is hungry, so she drinks milk.
Very good. Okay, next pair.
It is raining.
Yes, this is the situation. Yes, because it is raining now. Who is the pair of this sentence?
we cannot go out.
Yes. We are also in same situation, no? Yes, isn't it? Yes, because it is raining, we cannot go out of the classroom. Okay. So rain பெய்யறதுனால நம்மளால என்ன பண்ண முடியல? Then what is the conjunction word? So. Okay. Ankipa, read the sentence.
It is raining, so we cannot go out.
Very good. Next part.
You are my friend.
Good. You are my friend. The next sentence. Pair of the sentence.
I will help you.
I will
help you.
You are my friend. நீ என்னோட ஃப்ரெண்டா இருக்கிறதுனால நான் என்ன பண்றேன்?
Help பண்றேன்.
ஹெல்ப் பண்றேன். சோ எதனால அதனால அப்படி சொல்லிட்டு அந்த ஒரு வேர்ட் வருதுல அதுக்காக தான் நம்ம என்ன மெயின் என்ன கன்ஜெக்ஷன் யூஸ் பண்றோம். So come. Okay. Subha, read the word.
You are my friend, so I will help you.
Very good. Or you all understand what is the conjunction word here? So and when will we use? Are you all understand about the concept? Yes. Very good. You are doing good. Clap your hands.